Hello, YouTube. Welcome to my channel, and I am AIpreneur with Coley. If you're ready to ride the wave of technological advancement, hit that like button and let's get started. And I'm recording to you kind of like unboxing. If you kind of see my previous video, unboxing the Meta sunglasses with ribbon. I'm boxing it for you, and I think in the previous video I show you how it feels like. I think the weight is fine. It doesn't weight really. I mean, it's fine. The weight is really fine. I don't know how many pound it is or how many. Yeah, but it's fine. So let's look at it. That's the glasses. That's what I cannot wait to put on. But look, inside the bars, right? The bars feel stylish, leather, stylish, right? And look, right? So inside the bars, it has a clip, right? And that clip has, I think, the charger there, and that's what you put. You just clip it like this, right? And you hear the noise, and then you see the light coming up. That means it's charging, right? That means it's charging, right? See, it's even turned on, and it said it's 79%, right? So I'll charge it. To take it off the charge, it feels a little bit sticky, right? So you can kind of see the female, the female of the charge there, right? See? So it feels really good. You can see the two cameras are front. I like this because you can see the camera. Look, you can see it. I like it, right? Because it shows, right? It shows that somebody is wearing something. So which is I think cool for privacy standpoint. So if you're recording, people will know that you're recording. It's not hiding. It's not like a hiding sunglasses. It's purely out. So you wearing it responsibly. So, and if somebody have to kind of walk and see your face and to notice that, but it stick out because around it, it looks like they build a little housing for it, the camera. So it's actually really good, right? So see, it turn on when you open it. Immediately it turns on, right? I haven't wear this, but it looks like you have to wear it, and that's the camera. Turn the record and off, and I think on this side you can. That's the speaker system there. Speaker system on the both side, and I think this is where your volume is. So I think it looks really cool. It looks really cool. I haven't wear it, but it looks really cool. And this one is the transition one. So in with lighting it change, right? And I'll put it back. I think in this video also I like the case, right? I really want to speak on the case, and I think in this video I also want to see what else is there, right? In the packaging I don't see charger, right? And it didn't say it has one on the charger, right? On the box, when we were reviewing it, it says, I think it was in French, I read it for you. It says something like it says something like whatever it has there. So it's a USB-C charger. I don't think that it comes with a charger though. I don't think it came with a charger. It has an instruction on how to turn it on what each of the button does, and I'll do another video showing you all of that here. And microphones tells you everything, but I want to see if it comes with a charger. I don't think it does come with a charger. So let me see. I think somewhere it's a security thing, and it does not have a charger in there. So I think we need to find charger for it. I think on the bus here, if you kind of look at it, it says it has glasses, charging case, cloth, cleaning cloth. So it doesn't have a charger. So any USB-C charger And I have a USB-C charger here, right? So I'll charge it, right? It's charging. It looks like it's charging it. But my USB-C charger, any USB-C charger can just charge it. Fine. Which is awesome. And I also have like a cell phone charger here on my desk. I don't know if it charge that way too. I don't know if it charge that way, like how iPhone and stuff charge. But I'll check it out. But I like the case, and I really because I like the case, I really want to compare the case, right? And I'll do another video. But this is another ribbon case that I have. I have a ribbon myself. I love ribbon myself. As you can see, that's a ribbon. This one costs a little bit for me, but yeah, so this is another ribbon case, right? So I just want to compare the case because I think the case is really what looks, I love it, right? I love the glasses too, but most importantly, the case, right? So look, the case, it's about the same ribbon style. Look, the same ribbon style, and you know, but this one is bigger because I think the purpose of this is just to make ribbon feels really good. But this one is more stylish. But these glasses is expensive than this glass, than the Meta glass. This glass is expensive than the Meta glass. But the case, I love the case, right? I love the case. Put this aside. And to be very honest with you, I like the sunglasses. I'm not talking about it, but I love it. I love it. I think it's one of the coolest. I love it, and I think with the glasses, it looks really stylish, and it fits my face very well. I'll do another video showing you that as well. It fits my face very well, and to be very honest with you, scaled 1 to 10, it's 10. This is really good, stylish, feels really good, feels very well, you know. Glasses, clean, crystal clear. It's a transition, so I just put it on my face. You can kind of see my face. It looks really good, fits really well. It feels like you have something in your face. You wear it purposely. And to be very honest with you, subscribe to my channel, and I'm telling you, I'll keep showing you how to make money with this. How do you make money with this? That's the purpose of my channel. And I'll keep recording, making content for you that shows you this, right? And subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and more videos to come, right? In comparison, like I compare you my ribbon. I think this one costs, I have it for about a year and a half now, costs really well. It does really good on the sun. But this one is affordable. I think they made it for everyone. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.